Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
The brilliant, all-rounder, committed inner wheel member, our district chairman, Dr. Asha. The stage is yours, ma'am. I request you to kindly address us.
My dear President, Dr. Kamalji, IPP Sonali, my district EC colleagues, DVC Dr. Deepashika, district ESO, PDC, Nandita, my batchmate and my dear friend, PDC Mukti, all the Rotarians present here, Rotary President, Keshav, and the First Lady of Pune Nigri Pride Rotary, Rama, all the family members of Dr. Kamalji, Mr. Harvinder, and her children, her daughter and her son, both are there to join hands with Kamalji, to make her hands strong. I can see all her relatives also who have come. It shows the love and admiration they have for our dear Kamalji. Thank you for coming here. And all the club executive committee members of IWC Nigri Pride and all the dear friends of IWC Nigri Pride. I also see my team members, the presidents of different clubs who have come over here, and ZSC, Bhagesh is also here. So, good evening to all of you. It was told there that I know Russian language and Japanese language too. So I will say Zdravstvuyte in Russian, which means hello to all of you. So Zdravstvuyte to all of you. Friends, when I come to IWC Nigri Pride, I feel like that I have come to my friends. I have so many friends here. First of all, PDC Mukti is there. My dear friend Aarti is there. Then Savita is there. I can see Pranita, Pratibha Joshi Dalal, and Sujata is there. Rekha is there. Pooja was with me, I think, when I was a district editor. Pooja was the club editor. So I have a fortune of working with her too. So I have not taken all the names, but I know so many of you, and I feel so glad to come amongst you. Also, your charter president Renu Mitra, she has been the backbone of your club, and I am so glad to see her. Friends, क्या कहूँ मैं आज कमलजीत के installation के बारे में? Today I saw it is not raining outside today, but I saw the rain of projects. Lovely projects she has announced till today is just I think the 12th of July, and in 12 days, 11 days, she has done the projects of 11 lakhs of rupees. So Kamalji, happy congratulations to you. I know you are going to do wonderful projects this year. Throughout the year I am going to hear so many new things, and I have to congratulate the formation of our first E-Club, IWC Pune E-Goodwill. Shruti and the ISO, my love to both of you. Thank you for coming here so that we could meet you in person. Myself and Nandita, we always said that we want to meet these babies, our girls, in person. And today I was fortunate to meet you both in person. Thank you so much. Thank you, Kamalji, for taking all the efforts in forming this E-Club. And there are some other clubs which she has in mind, and we are working on that. Friends, I have to congratulate Kamalji for whatever work she has done and whatever work she is doing. But now she is the leader of this prestigious club. So I want to give her some tips to be a good leader. Is it okay, Kamalji? You can stand. Kamalji, now you are the leader of this prestigious club. So the entire club is looking at you for the new vision, new ideas, the progressive outlook which you will be bringing. So keep on bringing new ideas, the progressive outlook. That is the sign of the good leader. Also be open, have positive and progressive outlook in yourself also. Honesty, integrity and building the trustworthy environment amongst your fellow men are the important qualities of the leader. So you have to keep in mind, leader में confidence होना चाहिए. आप में बहुत है, and I'm so glad that your leader is so confident. और जैसा ही आपका year आगे बढ़ता जाएगा, your confidence will keep on growing. But एक tip मैं आपको देना चाहूँगी कि there should be no overconfidence also, and that you will remember in your heart. Kamalji, keep on inspiring others. You have already inspired so many members, the new members also, they are doing so good job. So keep on inspiring others, motivate them to dream big, encourage them, and take the ideas from all your club members. Sometimes the new member also will give you a very good idea, which will have a very good impact on the society. You will do impactful project for the society. So take the ideas from all your club members. I will suggest you one thing to be a good leader. Please accept the mistakes if they are done by the club members. Because we are all humans and we do mistakes. But when we accept our mistakes and we उनको माफ करते हैं, तो then only we grow as a leader. So accept the mistakes of your club members. And I will suggest you कि इस साल बहुत खुले दिल से सबकी तारीफ करती रहना, प्रशंसा करना, because that is very important. A pat on the back by a president. और अगर आप कुछ बोलती हो, आपने बहुत अच्छा किया, I loved it, I liked it, hearty congratulations, तो आप वो member को बहुत encouragement मिलती है. So keep on praising your club members and you will get very good fruits at the end of the year. I am sure about that. अब कमल जी, आप ऐसा कभी नहीं सोचना कि you are alone standing over there, as a president, because the leader always feel that he is all alone at the top. But no, you have the legacy of 13 presidents. So you are standing on the shoulders of 13 presidents, and they have created a wonderful path for you. You have to tread on that path, and you have to create your own path, so that the presidents who will come after you will also love you and they will also tread on your path. So you are amongst your friends, and I'm sure all the club members will join the hands of Kamalji. Isn't it so? Yes, I know that because I saw the range of all the donations and sponsorship coming. So I know you are all Dhanalakshmi's Kubers sitting in this hall. So your treasurer has a big job to do. She has a lot of money to count, and I know she will do the great job over there. So also delegate your work among your club TC, with your club members, because keeping everything in your hand, you will not able to work. And it is a myth that I can do everything alone. No, you are a part of a team and you have to be a team member. So delegate all the responsibilities. Empathy and understanding are all the qualities which you will need as a good leader. So you can sit down now. These were some of the tips which I wanted to give to Dr. Kamalji to be a good leader. Friends, I want to tell you about what is leadership, because this is the event on it's the installation of a leader. And so I want to tell you about something about the leadership. See, there are 4 types of leaders. One is an authoritarian leader. So we know Hitler was an authoritarian leader. But we don't want to remember about Hitler. Do you want to remember? No. Even Germany doesn't want to remember about Hitler. They have removed all the signs and posts of his regime. So authoritarian leader is not liked by anybody. Second type of a leader is a laissez-faire leader. The laissez-faire leader is the one who just sits at the back and says that let all the decisions be taken by the members of the organization. But for inner wheel, this leader is also not good. Third is the leader by birth. He takes birth in a family where there is a leadership lineage. So whether he has leadership qualities or not, we don't know. But he becomes leader. We have seen such leaders, we will not talk about them. But in Inner Wheel is a democratic organization. So fourth type of leader which I am going to tell you is a democratic leader. And in Inner Wheel, we require a democratic leader. A democratic leader is the one who holds hands of everyone and takes the club, takes the organization along with her. Democratic leader is the one who creates leader in the organization. You know, that is very important, because creating new leader, keep on creating new leader, then only the organization, your club will grow. So this is very important quality of a democratic leader, and I am sure Dr. Kamaljeet, you will do that. You will create leaders in your executive committee. That's what we do in our district committee also. Mukti knows that, Nandita knows that. We mentor our new members, we help them, and we do their hand-holding, and we create the new members at the district level, at the association level, and at the international level also. So even at the club level, we expect that. Friends, this year, Kay Moreland, the IIW president, has given a very good theme. She is an Australian, and she has given a very good theme of Step Up and Lead by Example. I will not talk about that theme just now, because Kamaljeet has very well spoken about that theme in her talk. मुझे उसके भाषण में एक वाक्य बहुत अच्छा लगा, Step Up and Shine. So that is what, you know, is we have to do. It is a very apt theme for Inner Wheel, because in Inner Wheel we want to do we are doing women empowerment. We want to develop leadership among women. So that is very important. So this is a very apt theme for Inner Wheel. You have to step up. You have to now come out of the comfort zones, because we have led our life, and now we have to lead the life for the society. Do something for the society through the club. So that is more important, and lead by example. So this is a very important theme she has given. I am very happy to tell you that IIW President Kay Moreland is coming to District 313 on 24th and 25th of August. We are bringing her from Mumbai, where there is a Golden Jubilee celebration of association, and then there is a West Zone meet also. We are the co-host, District 313 is the co-host for the West Zone meet. So I appeal to all of you to do the registration in large numbers, and also come to Satesai village, where we are taking Kay Moreland. And it is the Pune COPS project, where we are donating. We have already donated the solar water heaters, and we are making that entire village now chulha free, because now the women will not have to go to the forest to collect the firewood. Okay, so this is a sustainable project, and IIW Media Manager Smita Pingre is the convener of this entire visit. And she also has the dreams of installing solar lamps in that village. She also we want to give livestock. Pashudhan bhi dene ka unka dream hai. So that we want to create that village as a sustainable, eco-friendly village. So I will appeal to all of you to join the hands with Pune COPS and go in large numbers over there. Association President Jyoti Mahipal will also be coming along with her. And it is an opportunity to meet both of them, and we have to create lovely memories for Kay Moreland and Association President Jyoti Mahipal. Jyoti has given very important goals in Inner Wheel Care, about which I have already told to all my presidents. I have explained them about the goals, but Jyoti Mahipal has given some very important projects, जैसे कि installation of health ATM in maybe in an old age home or in a village, where the people will have the advantage of doing their tests in a very small amount and very fast. Another project she has given is very close to my heart. That is the installation of smart beam. It is a big beam which costs 20,000, around 20,000, and you can install it at railway stations or ST stand, where a lot of people are coming and going and they just throw the plastic bottles. But these plastic bottles can go into that smart bins, and once it is filled, it comes to the, it reaches the brim, there is a sensor attached over there, and the authorities will come to know that the bin is filled, and they will come and vacate that bin. And they will give this all these plastic bottles to the local rag pickers, who can sell those plastic bottles and earn some money. So again, this is a sustainable project which is there. So for the conservation of environment, it is very close to my heart. Friends, she has also given another project, that is the installation of STEM lab, which is based on AI in the schools. It is a little bit costly, around 4 lakhs, but if the clubs put joint hands together, they can do it. And let me tell you friends, in my year, all the club presidents are cooperating with each other. They are not competing for any prize or for the first number or second number. Thank you, my girls. They will be doing the project. I can see Pratima also, but I cannot see. I know she has come. Lina has also come. Yes. Oh, they are here. And Savita is also here. Yes. So all my presidents are, cooperating with each other. They're joining hands for good projects. And I have told them, you don't take tension of making many projects. बहुत आराम से काम करना, enjoy your presidency और हंसते हंसते काम करना. This is the mantra I have given to them, and they are all smiling. So I am happy for them. Friends, मैंने तो 2 शब्द बोल के हुए हैं, लेकिन ऐसा प्रघात है, when DC comes to the club for the installation, she has to tell a small story. तो मैं अभी एक small story आपको बताने वाली हूँ, and I hope you will like it. It is heard by some of my presidents, by Nandita, by PDC, and Veena also. But it is new for all of you. Even Kamaljeet has heard that. But it is new for all this August gathering, and I am sure you will like that story. It is a story of friendship, my dear friends. This happens in rural England. There are 2 friends, John and Alex. Both are so close to each other. They care for each other. They love each other. And they are together in all sukh dukh mein hamesha saath dete the. One day they go for a beach walk. And उस दिन क्या होता है मालूम नहीं, Alex starts fighting with John. And John is astonished. Why Alex is fighting with me? क्या है, क्या हुआ? And Alex hits him. उसको बहुत बड़ा बुला बोलता है. And John is very sad, After the fight, he just picks up a small stick and he writes on the sand that today Alex fought with me and he hit me. I am feeling sad. I didn't like this. He throws the stick and starts walking on the beach. And in the trance, now उनकी कट्टी हो गई है. बहुत सालों में first time they are doing कट्टी. And so John is very sad. He, in the trance, he walks and he drifts into the sea. And immediately the tidal waves catch him and he is pulled inside the sea. And let me tell you friends, John doesn't know swimming. So he is pulled in the sea and he starts drowning. John feels that today is the last day of my life and I am drowning. Now here, Alex is also walking. He also feels, why I fought, I don't know. But where is John? And he looks, John is not there. And he looks into the sea and John is, drowning. He immediately jumps into the sea, fights all the tidal waves, and he reaches up to John. He consoles John that, John, I have come and you are not going to die. I am going to save you. They both hold hands together and fighting the tidal waves, they come to the shore. Alex performs all those therapies, to remove water from him, and John is hale and hearty. And he stands on his own feet. Now what John does, he picks up a stone and he goes to a rock, big rock on the beach, and he scribes over there, today I was going to get drowned in the sea. But my good friend Alex, he came over to me, he saved my life. I'm thankful to Alex. And he throws the stone. Now it is Alex is surprised. अब उनकी कट्टी में पट्टी हो गई. Alex asks him, कि when I fought with you, you wrote in sand. And when I did some good things, you wrote in the stone. Why? What is the reason behind that? So John says, my dear friend Alex, when I wrote in the sand about our fight, I wanted to wipe it out with the waves of love, understanding and friendship. Now just look at the back. Is that writing over there? No, it is all wiped out. So this is the friendship which will stay. And I have inscribed your good thing in the stone because this is what will stay with us for throughout our life. This is the friendship which will stay with us throughout our life. So friends, this is the moral which I want to tell you, that friendship is forever. So be always with your friends, encourage them, be kind to them, and see to it that they reach their goal. And this is what Innerwheel does for us. This is the beautiful organization we are a member of, and wherever you go in Innerwheel, not even in your city, in your country, but even if you go out of country and if you join together with the Innerwheel friends, we immediately bond together by the bonds of sisterhood and Innerwheel friendship. So friends, these are my 2 words which I wanted to share with you. Keep on doing the good work and be the good friends. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
बहुजन सैनिक महाराष्ट्र लाईव्हला लाईक करा, शेअर करा, सबस्क्राईब करा आणि बेल आयकॉनवर क्लिक करा.